Hi Kevin, this is a video demo on your request on how can you upload a video on social share. So I'm logging on the ACTX here. Only admin account can log in here. So only admin can modify all information here. So when you log in, just scroll down, click this social sharing, and you will be routed here. And when you upload a new video, just go here and add a title. So let's name this video upload, and let's add a content here. Okay, remember all you have to add here is a content. You don't have to add a HTML here. Okay, only the content or the message that you want to add. Example, check out this video. Let's add this. Okay, and if you have a URL, example, you have a capture page, promotional page, or webinar page you want to add here, all you have to do is to add that here. Okay, so if you have a YouTube URL, you can also add that here. Okay, just don't forget to add the site, the merge code for this, so it will fetch the site name of the user. So every time the user will share this video, including with their URL, example webinar page, you have to add like this example on this. So it will fetch your the replicated name or the username of the member. Okay, so if you want to add that here, YouTube URL, if you want to include, you can also add that. Okay, so that's it for the text content and the URL, and after that you have to select a category. Since this is a video, we will place this under the subcategory. So as you can see here, these are the main category on your mobile app, and this one is the subcategory. So let's click the videos, UIG videos. Okay, so active and yes, shareable, and browse. If you have those video file on your computer, open and submit this. Okay, let's just wait. It will upload the video. You can notice here that there's a notification here that it was successfully uploaded. So as you can see, it was uploaded already. So let's check the video here. So this is the video that we uploaded, and you can view the video here so that you can test if the video is working. So it's playing, and then if you want to edit, just click the edit. If you want to check the content here, you will add that, and don't forget to click submit. Now we already uploaded a video here, and let's check on the mobile app on how to share. So I'm here on the mobile app. Log in your account, click on share on social. Click the main category and select a subcategory, example videos, and click, because it was under on the subcategory, click UIG videos, and this is the video that we uploaded. Now on this image, we are still working on the thumbnail here, so that it will preview the video. Okay, so let's start to share. Click the share. Okay, as you can see here, it will ask you if you want copy. So just click OK. You have copied the information, and let's just wait. It will take a minute or two. It will depend on the file size of the video that you added. Okay. So after that, you can see here a pop-up box, which you will select where do you want to share your video. So now let's try on the messenger. So let's click this messenger, and it will route on your Facebook Messenger. Now, as you can see here, you have this list of your contacts. So let's try to send it here. But before that, if you've noticed here on the right message, you have to paste the one that you copy from the clipboard. So long press and click paste. As you can see, this is the content that we've added here. So let's check the content. So this is the content. So on the mobile app, this is the content. Okay, so after that, you have to select to whom you want to send. So click send. Okay, so send. If you want to send to 2 or more people, you can send that to them. Okay, so let's check the one that we've sent for this 2 person under my messenger contact. Let's check the video. Okay, so I'm here on my messenger to check those information or the video and the content. Okay, let's check those that I have sent. So this is this person I've sent here on this person. So as you can see, this is the content of the video. So let's check here. This is the content of the video. Okay, so this one. And then let's check on the other user. Okay, so it was sent, successfully sent. Okay, so this is how you upload a video from a social share and how to share on the mobile app. Thank you.